So, what's the potential for developing this further, guys?
Well, like, I want to be able to film it each week. It'll be even like a random day. It's only like, at the most, 5 minutes long. Anyone can join in. It's all improvised.
We're just going to make it more fun.
The idea is to make it fun as well, is to just be over the top, really eccentric.
Add our own input and get it all out there.
Or even let others have their own
Yeah.
inputs. Let them be themselves.
Yeah.
Like, you know, someone like earlier, Sam was saying he could be like sort of like, I mean, I don't mean this in any bad way, this is his words, but he said he could be like the kind of like depressing character in the corner, the moaning one, just like,
Oh yeah.
So this is kind of like communicating with other performers and letting them improvise.
Yeah.
It could also be used at starting gigs to really get people into the flow, make the rest of the people who are a bit nervous about, you know, doing their music have a laugh or two before they're about to go up. You know, it also is a good way to show confidence to an audience.
Okay, so it's a good way of communicating with the audience.
Yeah.
What else can we talk about? Okay, let's talk about a little about the themes. So it's improvised, but you seem to have little themes there. So what are the themes that you're kind of exploring?
So sort of like on a comedy route, it's, as I mentioned, it's really eccentric and over the top.
Yeah.
It also has real life problems and scenarios.
Okay. So it's kind of quite a little bit personal, autobiographical, slightly.
Yeah.
You just make comedy situations out of these problems.
Certain episodes are supposed to give a message.
Yeah.
So the first episode is our message. This is our wall. We lost a member. Rest in peace, Marcese.
Do you want to do that one now? Should we do that one? Because I don't think I've got episode 1 on here. Have you got that one, a bit of music for that one in mind? Is that the one with the slower bit of music?
Well, we actually want to do that on a wall.
On that wall out there?
Could do it on that wall.
Should we try it out there now? Do you want to put the music on? Or is it without music?
Without music, because when we're actually like properly doing in the future, we just got to picture which piece of music we want to use.
Okay, cool.
But that's why I was talking about camera angles too.
Okay, what camera angle do you want to have to use for this then?
I think for the first episode we'll just have it just like.
So this is your wall.
Well, in order for it to be spread out and sat down, you need like a bigger wall. I mean, like just.
I wanted to start off with like a shot of the close up of our face, of like one face and then the other face, and then it's.
Obviously, I can wear the hoods, like when the actual thing comes.
Okay, so both of you in hoods.
Yeah, and like my glasses can be sort of like that.
Okay.
And then it's from like an angle, because it would be by the school. It'd show us by the side of the road, so it shows us from a little distance. We just go like this.
Okay. You might have to talk up a little bit because there's traffic in the background.
Yeah. Well, we might do a bit of overdubbing for that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be the best thing.
Should we try a take now?
Yeah.
It's been a difficult week, man.
Very difficult.
You know, I was thinking of some good times. Good, you know, the ones that really sparkled.
We've had plenty of them. Enough to last a lifetime.
Sure, we spend enough time on the wall.
Oh yeah,
Hurts.
this wall is our favourite place. In the
We're not the
world.
laziest people in the world. We still get on with real life stuff
We just
when
prefer.
we have to.
We just prefer the wall, to be honest.
You used to do that radio thing with him, yeah, didn't you?
Oh yeah, we broadcasted.
Yeah. Like, tell me a bit about that, because I'm pretty sure you used to tell me a bit about it.
Well, he used to be angry because he couldn't play Afro Man, so then we'd make up our own songs. We did it one time.
How'd that go down?
It was accepted.
Oh, nice.
Accepted.
Tell me about scenarios. Tell me something that you guys like did.
Well, when we weren't,
Give me something juicy.
how do you say, extra strong?
Yes. No, Come on, tell me.
Well, one of the times when we were bored, there was nothing to do.
Yeah.
I mean, really bored. Came up with
Like really bored.
not really, just really bored. Two reallys. Two reallys in there. Really bored. Really bored. Anyway, we were really bored, and then because we were really bored, we came up with this really good idea, or rather, he came up with this really good idea.
He's the man.
That we made our own news jingle, and then we spent the whole time after that just acting out all these crazy ideas we could have for TV and film, and we did that the whole time.
See, when we are made to do it, we can be creative. We just need a bit of a push. Because
Well, this was a push. Literally, I felt like we were actually in the whole.
He brought out the best in us, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's just you and me, this wall, man. We gotta get others, because because something I can tell you. He made a promise with me. He said, people are gonna remember us. They're gonna remember us when the year ends.
We want
and the
that.
next few years until.
We want that a lot.
We want people involved. Yo, I was thinking, why don't we get like that Sam Adams kid and that Jared kid involved as well? They seem like a good pair.
You figure out on getting them. I'll just stay with the ball, and then you come back with members.
Yeah, I'll come back with members because
Give
seriously,
them a short
seriously,
interview.
we've had a good connection with them in the past. It's just we haven't made the effort to go out and see them. We've got to make an effort, but still not, get out of our comfort zone.
We'll give them a short interview, see if they're fit for the wall or not, and if they
Fit
are.
for the wall? I'm pretty sure they're fit
I
for
had
the wall.
a 3-hour interview fit for this wall, and I passed, and that's why I'm here now.
I'm pretty sure they've got this. They're some pretty cool kids, man.
Well, we'll give them like a 30-second interview, and if they get it
A
right.
second interview, man. Yeah, let's do it.
And then if they're bad, but
They're not gonna be bad. They're not gonna be bad.
we'll accept them
seriously.
anyway.
If Marcisi was here, man, he would accept them in a heartbeat. He was always wanting new brothers on the wall, man. You and me, man, we're brothers. That's you and me, man. We brought out the best in us,
Of course he did.
and now we bring out the best in each other.